What's going on, buddy? My name is Eason, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be getting into images in HTML. So we're going to be doing two things. We're going to be putting an image on our web page, adjust the width and the height of it. Very, very cool. And then we're going to take a link and put it into an image so it works as a hyperlink. So we're going to do those two things in this video. I got spit on my screen. Ugh. Okay, it's gone. So let's get started with the first one. We're just going to put an actual image on a web page. Maybe we just want to have an image of where you've been. Maybe you're doing a blog entry and you want to show, oh, I've been to Disney or some other place. My image is Disney. That's why it's on my mind. So yeah. So to put an image on a web page, just a plain old image, you're going to do a tag called the Img Tag. No closing because you're not telling where an image ends. You're just putting an image on a web page. So you're just going to do image and then you can put the source. So src. And then you're going to do equals to and then quotations. And this is going to be your file. Now, if you just watched my HTML tutorial, I haven't really gone into more HTML, haven't really used files and sources maybe for audio or images in this case. How you arrange your folders and files is really, really important. So this is going to be our file for our image. My image is called like Disney or something. Now, if I do like index.html, yeah, it's going to show up. But if I type in like Disney or something, it's not going to show up. So what we gotta do is that we gotta do the folder that's coming up. So to do the folder that is coming up, what I need to do is I need to do a /. If you're going to the folder behind the folder you're already in, you're gonna do a /. So, but we're going up a folder, so we're gonna use the /. You only gotta do it once, and as you can see here on Visual Studio Code, it pops up. So you can put the name of that folder. In my case, it's images. So I'm gonna click on that, and it's gonna put another / at the end of that. And now I have all my contents in my image folder. I have two photos. I'm going to do my Disney one though. So we'll say images disney.jpg. Very, very cool. Now we're not done yet. We can close the tag and the image will show up on the web page, but I don't want to do that yet. What I want to do is put an attribute in here called alt. And the value of this alt attribute is what's going to show up on the web page if someone's internet's not working right or the image just won't work because it's not supported or for whatever reason. So we just have an image that doesn't show up. How are they going to know an image is there? Well, so we're going to tell them picture of Magic Kingdom because that's what my photo is, Magic Kingdom. So I'm going to save that, and here we go. We have an image on my webpage, and you can see here it's on the same line as my contact me because we don't have a a line break there. So I'll do that. Now we have a line break. Can I do two? Yeah, I can. Okay, that's cool. So I'll put 2 line breaks there. So here we are. I have my image. And if you're putting an image in, it's probably going to be either really, really big or really, really small. So how do we adjust the width and height of the image? Well, to do that, I'm going to do this inside my tag. I'm just going to do width equals to, so it's going to be another attribute. And you can do this in EMs, points, percentages, so I could just do 20%. And it's going to go 20% of my web page. It's actually going to keep the height proportional to that as well. So that's very, very cool. Now, I actually want to do pixels, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do, let's do 350 pixels, and then for my height, I will do 200 pixels. Okay, so that's actually not that different from what we have, and I'll put that like into the same line as my organization. Now, if you did percentages, that's very cool. That's called a responsive web page, so it's cross-platform. It looks really neat. And all of that fun stuff. So very cool. Very, very cool. So we have a width and a height. If I change this to 450, it's going to make it a little distorted. So I don't want it to be distorted, so I'll change that back up to 350. Very, very cool. What else? Oh, so something cool is that, let's say you don't save the file to your computer. What you can do is, let's get rid of this images, Disney JPEG, is that you can put the image link in here. Now, I don't have a link memorized. So I went in my image folder and I just made it a text. So I'm just going to copy this. And in the source, I'll just put the link in. As you can see, it's pretty long. But if I save it, it's still going to show up. I have the width and height attributes in here still, so it's still going to adjust to that width and height that we have in here. So that's very, very cool. So yeah, this link. Now if we click on the image, it's not going to take us to the link unless we hit open image in a new tab. And there we go. We see it in a new tab. All by itself. Alright, so last part of this video is we are going to be making a image turn into a hyperlink. So what we do is we have a hyperlink here that says contact me. So I don't want to make a new one because I already have one made. And we use the A tag for that. Now the A tag has a closing tag, unlike the image tag. So before our A tag ends, what we're going to do is that we're going to remove this text here that says contact me. We're going to remove that. So when we save it, nothing's going to show up. Uh-oh. Debugging. Hey, it's back. So when we save that, nothing's going to show up. We just have nothing here. I can't click on it because there's no text. If I just put a period, I mean, I can click on this period to go to my website page. So what we're going to do is that we're just going to put an image in between the A tags. So we'll just do image, source, move up a folder, and I have one called the contactme.png. We'll do an alt, so we'll just say, click here to contact me. Very, very cool. We'll do a width of, let's do 220 pixels, and then a height of 200 pixels. Alright, there we go. No closing tab for image. We have all our stuff in here. Let's save it. Hey, there it is. It says contact me in an image. If I click it, it's going to take me to a new tab. That's to my contact me website. And we have our email and then my homepage. If I go back to my homepage, it's going to take me back to my homepage. Very, very cool. And that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. The next video, we're going to be getting into the Greek alphabet in HTML. If you don't want to watch that because you think it's boring or whatever reason, the next video, which will be uploaded at the same time, is going to be lists in HTML, which is a really easy topic, just like images were. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Go like, subscribe, that really does help me out, and it's free. You leave comment, criticism, I love criticism, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.